What's up, family? Welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis on StrongBlock. Today was a very important day because, as we know, we had the AMA with StrongBlock, where David Moss came out and spoke with several things that he saw in the project and some of the questions that the community had. So, if you like this types of analysis, please like and subscribe. And let's take a look at what happened. Okay. So as we know, we had the AMA today on April 3rd, and the AMA today was very crucial, okay? Because where we left off was here, okay? So it was about these downtrend here that we saw at about 137, okay? So we said that there was a big resistance at 137 here, and if we do zoom in, this is also the 1 hour, okay? So we saw that we had a downtrend here, and I stated that we wanted price to break out of these zones and retest back, okay? And unfortunately that didn't happen because, as you can see, we created here at the Fibonacci level as well. We had big resistance at this level and another big resistance here, okay? So at about 128. So this was a major resistance that we saw. If I create my lines here, this is very interesting, okay? Because as you know, so this is March 2nd, okay? We saw price consolidate for some time here, okay? As you can see, price respected our zones here that we drew before, okay? So about 116, and we knew that there was a big support levels at about 111, okay? So it was very important to understand that when the AMA came out, a lot of investors saw that this was a great opportunity, and we saw price rally up here, okay? This is unusual, okay? Because when price does this, it has to have a little bit of a setback, okay? A little bit of a continuation or come back to the zones that it respect. And at these levels here, what I wanted price for StrongBlock to happen was we were in an uptrend here, okay? We saw these big levels here, so we know that there's a lot of momentum in the project as we see at these volume here. But unfortunately, we didn't see the thing that we wanted to see. So here, when price came out of these zones, and we saw that we were oversold in the RSI and Bollinger Bands as well. We were being expanded. What I wanted price to see, because it has to come back, okay? When price does this bullish momentum, it has to retest, okay? And with these lows here, we saw that there was big resistance, okay, at 129. We can see that we're respecting these zones right now. 129, we were going down, up, down, up, and then we never closed above these levels, above 129. So when we saw this bullish momentum here, what I wanted to see is for price to come back at 130, okay? So we saw price go up very quickly here, as you can see, but I wanted price to retest back at 129 before continuing up, okay? Which unfortunately didn't happen. I wanted price to touch back 130 and then create support here. Now this is two things can happen here, okay? So we saw price come down here at 131, which was great, okay? We saw that we were oversold in RSI, so we had to come back, okay? Now, with these zones here, this is something that I don't want to see. I want to see price come back at 131 and continue up, but now that we're breaking these zones here at the 1 hour, this could have a factor, okay? So price can come back at these zones, retest at 130, and then we can see a consolidation back at 117. I hope that doesn't happen, but with the price what everything is looking like, this looked like it was a fake out, okay? It wanted to come back with the order block here and the imbalances that we saw at these levels here at about 118. You see these imbalances here? There's a lot of bullish momentum that happened, so it could have, been a fake out to catch the investors that rode this uptrend here. But at the same time, because we saw that price wicked up there, but it never closed, okay? So if you even look at the zones that we drew, it's very close, okay? Because this wicked up there too. So the zones that we drew, it was also being respected, okay? So it never really closed to the zones where we drew before. So this was another reason why the bullish momentum was kind of dying out. And so this is something that I wanted to escalate on and also talk about. But we hopefully would love for price to break out of this zone again. So I want to see price break out of the 131 since we're in a downtrend. I would love for price to retest these zones back here and then come back, create support before heading back again. And since we do have a lot of momentum, as you can see here, but unfortunately we were also in the MACD. We were circling that there's a cross, so there might be a downtrend for the 1 hour in the short term, to say the least as well. So we could see a price come back at 116. I hope that doesn't happen, but it's also a good thing, okay? Because if we're breaking these zones, I want to see back a retracement at these very crucial support levels. Because like, as you can see, we broke out of this uptrend. We came back, tested this zone several times. So 117 is a very crucial area, okay? Keep in mind that if price comes back here and creates a support, we could see another rally up to about 130 and hopefully rebounds back to about 140. And also the key factors that we want to take a look as well is the 150, because if we do break these levels here as we wicked, so if we come back and actually close, not wick, out of these zones and retest back here at these levels at about 141, then it's very possible for us to see a rebounds back at about 150. I do hope that we do see that momentum in the next few days, since there has been a lot of bullish momentum for Strong, the AMA, also the mint of a Stronger token. So there's a lot of upside for the project, and I really like that I see a lot of bullish momentum in the 1 hour as we see here, and it just indicates that other investors also see the same potential that I do. Alright guys, so that's it for the StrongBlock analysis. I hope you guys liked it and found value, and I'll see you in the next one. And just for now, keep hope, keep having the hope. Everything will work out. Relax. Just have faith in the projects that you're in, and everything will work out. Alright guys, stay blessed and see you on the next one. Take care.